Hello everyone.
Hello.
I'm here with 3 of my children, Daniel, Angela
Hello.
and David.
Hello.
After a very stressful day, I thought it might be nice for a little bit of fresh air. So we jumped in the car and here we are in the middle of the nature. And look, we found some rose hips. They're very good for make tea and healthy. Can we pick some, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Who's next in the line? Okay.
Oh, well, it's okay. I can pick one.
Angela, you can reach.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Mom's a girl, Daniel.
Here you go, guys. Where are you?
Because I cannot get any.
Daniel, David, you can go on the other side and try to find some in there.
You and David go on the other side to pick some more.
Yeah.
Mom, I got stung by a stinging nettle.
What song do we know with sheep? Do you know any songs with sheep?
Sorry, what song?
Black
sheep.
Black sheep.
Oh.
Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master,
One for the lane. One for the little boy who lives down the lane.
We do enjoy singing sometimes, do we?
Yeah. Look at all those trees up there.
Who wants to climb all the way up there?
Me.
We're gonna do that in a minute on the long stairs. Do you remember those?
Oh, those stairs. That could be
Yeah,
lots of steps. 24
those
steps.
stairs. They're very high stairs.
24,000 steps I gave me.
All the way up there.
I think I know how many they are. They are around 100.
2,000 steps.
No, they are around
'cause they're like
145 steps all the way up there.
Oh.
So who is ready?
Not me.
Okay. Do we take a ride?
Well, where are all the sheep?
They are on the,
Justin way.
they are on the other way, David.
I'm gonna climb the steps here, Mom.
Wait, we are not there
Oh
yet.
my god, it's tiring already.
Not just yet. Soon.
Oh my! I found it.
Did you? Well, so this is the beginning. Let's see.
I'm gonna be
Don't
so
forget to
tired.
count
Okay. 1,
in your mind.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's
31.
lots more than that.
No, there's 131.
So if there were more, how much?
138.
Okay.
But I'll say 131 because I counted all
How
seven.
many
might
did
be.
you count? It's this way, because that
Shall we
is
go just sit up there for a while and sit?
How if we just go see the view?
Yeah, we will. Just let's go
I'm
and look.
exhausted. David or Daniel?
David,
Come on, Dave.
let's
I
go.
counted 138 steps.
Look at these roots. They're so nice, bloody, aren't they?
Ah, tired. Mom, I really like this walk.
Yeah, it's really nice, isn't it?
Wait, Mom, wait for me.
It's better to go in the park and play on the playground.
Uh,
How was it, you guys? Did you enjoy it?
I love it.
Yeah.
Enjoyed the view. It's nice
enjoyed the
trying new
view, yeah.
fruits.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right, so we're back to the car, ready to go back home. Ready for tomorrow. Another day, another stressful day, but it's a stress that we take day by day, so it's okay.
Can't wait to make tea out of it.
You can't wait to have a cup of tea. That's right.
Yeah.
What about
I
change
asked for
my
a brown
pajamas?
sprite too.
You
And
want
it's
to-
not
so you don't want to try the rustic one?
I can't wait to sit on the couch, get some more pajamas, put some nice blankets on.
Can I please
The
have
sleepers
That
on and drink the tea.
sounds
Can I please have 2 cups?
Cups of tea, okay.
I don't think you can hold
Right,
that.
guys, I'm really happy that you enjoyed. I enjoyed it too. So let's go back home. So say bye.